Snap CLI is kind of Dart command line tools that helps you to create a custom device and define it for the Flutter SDK. The only things that you need is to add that package as a global package to the Dart. So for that, we will use Dart, pop, global, activate, and snap CLI. I've already added it, so I'm going to use it like snap CLI. In the devices command, we have a bunch of subcommands like add, delete, list, and update IP. With the add command, you can create your custom device and define it for the Flutter SDK. Let's check it out together. So snap CLI devices add. You can choose custom and express mode. I'm gonna use Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, and in here it needs the Raspberry Pi IP address and the username of the device. So as you can see, it's trying to ping the device, and if it is successfully defined that device, it will try to find Flutter path in that device. It's checking that that's the right path or not. I'm gonna accept it, and we have a Raspberry Pi defined in our Flutter SDK. Let's check out it with the list command. Yes, we have it in here. So in here, I just created a new Flutter app. That's the default template of the Flutter. That's a counter app. So I'm gonna test it on a Raspberry Pi to check is it working or not. So in here, as you can, in the devices section of the VS Code, you can also see the Raspberry Pi is defined in here. So you can also select it as a target device. Also, I wanted to test it in the Flutter devices command to check is it available or not. Yes, as you can see, it is also in here, and the idea of it is like Pi for B. So let's run it together with Flutter run -d Pi-4B. So as you can see, we could run the Flutter, and it is running on the Raspberry Pi, and you can see it on the right side. And also we have a hot reload, hot restart, and all this stuff that we have in our common development. And let's check it together. For example, let's make this color blue and do the hot reload. And in here, the app changes completely. We can also come here and open the dev tools that is completely working the same as for example, mobile development.